Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to fix Discord installation error. So if you're getting Discord setup.exe installation error, we will fix it in a very quick minute. We will be doing only 3 very simple steps and we will be able to fix it. Please make sure you watch the whole video. So let's get started. So here in the start icon, just do a right click and click on Task Manager. And this will work on Windows 11, Windows 10 or any other version of Windows. So please don't worry about it. So once the Task Manager is opened, look for Discord. Now once you find Discord, just do a right click and click on End Task. Please make sure that whatever the Discord services you have, we need to end task one by one. We just have end task 2 Discord services, and again we will do a right click on Discord and we will click on end task from task manager. So once this is done, we will close the task manager and we will do a right click in the start icon again, and then we will click on run. Now here we need to type percentage app data percentage. Let me maximize it. So once you have typed it, we need to hit OK. And a window will appear like this. You just need to select the Discord, do a right click and click on delete. Once the Discord folder is deleted, we will close this window and then we will do a right click on the start icon and click on run, and this time we will type percentage local app data percentage. Let me maximize. So once you have typed it, hit OK, and then we will look for Discord folder. Just do a right click and click on delete, and once it is deleted, please restart the computer. It is very important to restart the computer, and once it is turned on, then open your favorite browser and type Discord download. You will see discord.com/download. So please make sure you visit the same website and a new window will appear like this. We just need to click on download for Windows and a very small setup file will be downloaded of 79 MB. We just need to click on open file and I can see it's downloading the updates and it's getting installed. Please let me know in the comment section if it has helped you, and please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.